Okay, so now that we've spoken about principles, the next important topic is personal finances, because it's very important for us that our clients become asset rich and product poor, and that we are able to help them to manage their personal finances in a way where they steward what God has entrusted to them well enough to become financially free, to have financial peace in their lives, and ultimately to have a positive impact on themselves, their family, the community, their church, the nation, and the world. And we want the same for our employees as well. So now that we've spoken about the first P, and our entire financial plan is based on what we call the 3 Ps. The first one is principles, which we've already covered in the previous video, where firstly, you're going to save for emergencies. Secondly, you're going to pay off unsecured debts. And thirdly, then you're going to start investing. Now this is your offensive strategy. And this is the reason why principles are so important, because principles will remain the same forever. They remain unchanged, and they have always worked, and they will always work in the future. They are unbending, unchanging, the same as gravity, okay? And this is why so many people struggle financially, is because they only get taught the second P, which is products, okay? And I'll touch on that now. Now, when we go to school or we leave school and we start working, no one really talks to us about principles. They only tell us that you need medical aid, you need life insurance, you need all of these things, all of these products. But those are defensive strategies, not offensive strategies. Principles are the things that you need that will only work if you are able to change your financial beliefs, and when you do that, you'll be able to change your financial behavior. Because wealth creation is 80% behavior and only 20% knowledge. And you need the right behaviors to apply the right principles. The second P is products, and we also need products, okay? The reason why products are important, because we know that unfortunately bad things happen to good people. And it's not if a rainy day comes, it's when a rainy day comes. And when we start attacking financially, we don't want to be in a position where if things go wrong, our financial plan suffers to the extent where we have to start over again. So where principles allows us to go on the offense, products allow us to remain defensive, so that when bad things happen, we can continue with the principles without it affecting our plan for the future. And that is where, and these products are things that you need to implement, but you need to make sure that you have a financial strategist in our business that helps you to keep you accountable and understand how to structure these products for your financial the current place where you find yourself in your financial journey. The first one is you have to have a signed professional will. Okay? The second is you have to have medical aid. And the third is short-term and long-term insurance. This will be insurance on your car, insurance on your property, insurance on your content of your home and your building, and long-term insurance, specifically life insurance, to cover your income in case of death or disability or severe illness. A signed professional will to make sure that you understand what are your wishes when you pass away, and specifically if you have children, who will be the guardians of your children when you pass away, and medical aid, so that if you have a large medical emergency, it doesn't bankrupt you or cause your financial principles to take too much strain. And then the third P is practices. And these are the financial habits, the things that you need to practice on an ongoing basis up until the extent that they become habits. These are the things that will allow you to continuously focus on implementing, updating, and moving forward with the principles and the products. And the first is a budget. You have to have a budget, and we offer a budgeting tool that you can use to set up your personal budget. And this will allow you to spend less than what you earn and tell your money where it should go, instead of your money telling you where it is going. The second is self-education. And this is where you need to read the books, listen to the podcasts, the audiobooks, study the courses, the degrees, the things that will help you to increase your value in your job, in your business, in the marketplace. So the first one helps you to spend less than you earn. The second and the third one, which is mentorship, will help you. The second and the third one will help you to increase your income, because the market will only reward you what you are worth. And if you self-educate yourself, you can increase your value in the market. So you will be receiving a lot of information from us on what you need to read, study, and that will allow you to increase your value so that the market can reward you according to your value. And mentorship is ensuring that you have the right people in your life, the right person that's already going where you are going, and someone who has already achieved what you aim to achieve. Because if you surround yourself with the right people and you educate yourself on the right tools, you'll increase your value, you'll increase your income, and through a budget, you'll always be able to spend less than what you earn, save for emergencies, pay off your debt, start investing, and if anything bad happens, the products are there to keep you safe. And with these 3 P's, you can manage your personal finances as well and effective as anyone else.